RPI Athawale candidate Maheshwar has assured to take steps for inclusion of state's indigenous population in scheduled tribe lists if he is elected as Member of Parliament. He made a statement during an interaction program, Know Your Candidate, organized by Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM at his residence today. Maheshwar stated that he has been working hard to include Meitei in scheduled tribe lists. He said that he also met with the Union Minister of Tribal Affairs in connection with the matter. In addition, he has launched a massive campaign and various forms of agitation to secure constitutional rights, asserting that he has taken vow to take initiative for Meitei inclusion in scheduled tribe. Maheshwar assured to materialize the dreams of Meitei at his best level despite all odds.
Kumaina koigi ST changadam no habese sidi manungda akoi asengba chungba tawnabagi damakta lobby khara changbran khale adi haiba ma changbran khale manungda system manungda leriba miduda haidi Narendra Modi da natraga amisara chi ambisalaga ST recommend tawbiru harakanda mokoina kaidonungda tarokto leite kainadi mokoi se uji thatrama thoi train thoi chahi ma mai cha asibauda udrabaduda akoina sida ta chi ambisalaga tabira kani habigi question dudi rise tawdre aduna sigi poche thabakta kumai othorakani thabakta kumai ohelakani habese leriba representative to nam isagi ni khalaga akoi gi ni khalaga ta tawrage na tawne khalaga tawdraga di thabak se oiroi dran khale aduna ngasi miyam gi mang da haizari ai di tasena thabak taw kena changjabane ai gi wasak tari tasu yauzari ba yelo furupna ST chalan ba haibagi wasak se any how tawdaba yadi haiduna aina chanjagani haiduna mayam mang su haizari